How do you think my brain is made for?
Morning, you guys. Today is currently Friday and I am going to be late to my eye doctor appointment. I was eating and getting ready and again, second day in a row, I ordered my Uber, like not even last minute. I ordered it 30 minutes ahead of time. It's only like 15 minutes from me, but they cancel on me because they don't want to go to that area, which is like, do y'all not see where y'all going when y'all like confirm it? It just reminds me of how I hate taking Ubers, literally. Like, why would you cancel on me? They be driving on their way and they were like, nah, mind. And my driver was deaf. I don't have nothing against none of that, but it's like, dang, every time I order something, like a ride, it's just the extra shit. Like, oh my God, this is why I can't do this. So the time that he's gonna get here is the time that my appointment starts. I called the office and they're not even open yet. So I'm like, how do I have an appointment? They're not even open. So I'm assuming obviously they're open, but their phone system isn't open until 8, which is so annoying considering I'm trying to be on time. I'm usually on time and stuff. That's when I'm taking my damn self. Not when you gotta depend on an Uber for an appointment. It's just not it. But bro, I hope that they still take me, because I'm supposed to get there like 7:15 for real, to like check in, like, and then it's my first time being there. Oh, the earlier the better. But then if I got there too early, are y'all even open for real? I have to know these questions. I'll ask when I get there, but that shit just blew me. So now I gotta sit here for 13 minutes for another ride after I already was waiting for 5. I could have been there, bro. Other than that, how's your day going? For real. Yo, the drivers keep canceling on me. Another one canceled, but this one is 3 minutes closer. I pray you don't cancel, Lord. Please don't let this man cancel on me, like, please. And then they keep texting me, am I at the building? Am I at the building? And it's like, I don't want to say yes. It's either 1 or 2 for yes or no. I need to speak to somebody. They keep giving me numbers like the place is not, like the phone service is closed. They don't open till 8. That's the time I'm probably gonna get there. And be like, I didn't know which building it was, because there's multiple buildings. I really don't know which building it is. That's gonna add more time. Oh my Lord, y'all. My morning is already starting off crappy. It's crazy. It's my fault. I should have known. I should have known. This is worse than the bus. Like, oh, I remember I used to catch the bus every day to Jersey. They would damn near get to the bridge and be like, oh, you gotta get out. I don't want to pay this toll. Like, they would cancel on me because they didn't want to go. And the bridge was only like less than 15 miles away from me. They just didn't want to go out in that area. And it's like, if you're an Uber or a Lyft, you can't pick where you want to go. They're going to ban you for canceling all your rides. That's like me picking, well, I have a set schedule, but like me picking, oh, I just don't want to work today. I just don't want, they're going to fire me. So same concept. Y'all going to get reported every time. I'm going to get my money back every time. And then y'all going to be out of a job. Like, they be thinking that Uber is them working for themselves. You're still working for other people. You have to show up for your rider. You have to show up for your money. Like, you don't get to just keep canceling rides. Like, this is not, that's just a part of Uber. Like, that's just a part of Lyft. It takes you where the money is. If the money is over here, and then you just have to do drives around over there, then do that. Like, or don't pick that as a job. Because for me, I know that would piss me off, so I wouldn't do it. I would go clock in if it's that bad. But they be just, ugh. And then I know the pay ain't all that, but that's what I'm saying. Get a different view for the people that can. I'm not speaking for the people that, I mean, I feel like there's always a will, there's a way. But that just be blowing me. Because people like who depend on Uber, y'all messing up. Or, oop. They're here. Yo, they put drops in my eyes and I can't see shit. I don't know how I'm supposed to go to work after this, but I can't see shit. I literally can't see shit. Oh my god. But I think my vision is pretty good. But we're not done. We're not done. So fingers crossed. But I can't see shit. How am I supposed to get to work? Bro. Like I could see in the mirror kind of clear. Oh no. I don't know if I should go to work. I can't see. How am I supposed to get work and I can't see? Hey guys. Chill. I got energy because I ain't go to the gym today. I know. But it's okay. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Don't count. Oh yeah, update for the eye doctor. This don't count. I had ordered 2 by accident. One was for my office supplies, like a part of that. But I didn't realize it was even this small, but I didn't know I ordered 2. So I just took it home because I don't need 2. I already have a trash can here, but I'll put the black one in the bathroom and take the old white one out and just, I don't know. You can never go wrong with pink. That's actually smaller. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. But I went to the store to get some reading glasses because I went to the eye doctor and they are gonna give me a prescription. But the prescription is gonna be very mild. So I just got Carmex because I didn't have Blistex. And I'm gonna go back in 2 weeks. Maybe I gotta call my other doctor. Just all this extra stuff. Every time I go to an appointment, I'm hoping everything is gonna be smooth. It's never just smooth. Like I get it done, but it takes longer than it should because something's always wrong. Like it never fails. For real. I hate the smell of Carmex. I know y'all not used to seeing me use anything other than gloss side me, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I have to. I keep buying shit. Not like this type of stuff, but just period. Like I need to order my bed frame. But in my last apartment, I went like half a year without a bed frame because I had a box spring and I was like high up. But then my dog would like jump in my bed and I'm like, oh no. So I got a high ass bed frame. And I left that one behind. So now I gotta get another one. And I haven't found one that I wanted. So I have to actually spend time this weekend shopping for a bed frame because I'm over here buying everything. And then I look at my bed like, maybe I should get a frame. Like, let me not be one of those people who priorities is bigger. I mean, that's not a priority because at least I have a bed. But I want to set my room up a certain type of way. So I have been like looking, like even with paintings I want to hang up. Like I'm trying to be very specific because if I'm going to decorate, I gotta make it like home, but not like crowded with stuff. Cause I want to keep it like empty, clean, but decorated to where it's like home. My eyes were good. I explained to her what the issues I was having, and it really wasn't a lot. It was something light, and they're like, "Oh yeah, we're gonna bill you like $300 for this, baby." Y'all not getting paid. I don't know what to tell you. I have 2 insurance. Y'all gotta make that shit work for real. I'm not paying nothing. Like I'm not paying. I'm not paying for that. But I have to see if the prescription they're gonna give is gonna help me. Like I did pretty good with the test they ran or whatever. Got like 1 letter wrong. But so far I was like, I just be squinting a lot, but because of school I feel like and working on the computer, like reading the screen can be annoying. So I got some glasses from Family Dollar. And I'm gonna see, I'll try all of them on, they were all blurry. I'm like, maybe my vision is perfect. But then I found these ones and I'm like, okay, these are good. But I would only wear it when I'm when I'm working or reading. When I say my eyes were so blurry for a good 3-4 hours, y'all, that shit did not wear off until like the 4th hour of me being at work. Like I'm glad I didn't have work to do regarding the computer. I did, but that was like school stuff. Oh, and good news, everything is set for school, so I will be like my classes are still up. I thought they were gonna drop me from my classes when I had to figure some stuff out. But thank God that they did not, and everything is set, yeah, girl. Oh, I can see they're just magnified, so I have to use it only. First of all, I'll probably be ugly with glasses. Ew. Like, these are just regular ugly frames, but if I like, ew, I don't know. Anyways, like, they do help reading close up. I would not wear this all day, because when I took them off and I was walking back to the my job, I'm like, oh yeah. I don't know if it was because the eye drops still was wearing off, or if it's because this just affected me. I don't know, but you're only gonna see me wear these when I'm reading the screen, because they definitely help. Like, I don't feel like I'm squinting, but I usually only squint when I'm staring at the computer screen. So let me make a thumbnail. I'll take pictures. We're gonna unbox some shoes. It's funny, because before I hated New Balance, but I literally have, I only have 2 pair, I'm tripping. Well, 3. Yeah, I only have 3 pair. But it's funny because I literally was like, ew, New Balance are ugly, I would never, blah, 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 blah. And now I have 3 New Balance. They're comfortable. I can say that. So let me take a thumbnail with the glasses so I could clickbait y'all. I was literally like all day for the past 2 days. Where's my package? Where's my package? Where's my package? There's like, you didn't get a package. Well, I got packages, but they were from Amazon. The whole time, all Amazon. But now, dun, 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 dun. They were delayed, so that's why it took so long. It took like a week. Oh, they look different in person. These are cute. Very cute, very calm. If anybody knows me, all my sneakers are basic. It's my slippers that are cutesy and demure. Well, I have all pink New Balances, but I wore them to work, so they're dirty. Like, I wear newbies specifically for work and rain. Like, even though it's sweet, it shouldn't mean rain, but like, I never cared about shoes. I ain't gonna lie, I just be like, get a new pair. Nobody got time for it. I'm not the sneakerhead girl. If you want the key to my heart, get me jewelry. Sneakers is cool, but it's really not okay. I'm like a Givenchy slides, slipper, Christian Dior slides, or like slipper. Like very calm office wear. Like, sneakers are not really for me, but it's too cold outside to be in sneakers every 5 minutes. I can't wear Uggs all year round because I just shouldn't, you know. I need to get some sneakers added to the collection. So we're going to do that and try these on. I feel like every video is me unboxing something. They make my feet look big. Ooh. I'm like a Jordan retro 1 kind of. So they're very calm, very cute, very workout-ish. I'm not gonna work out in these because I have workout shoes. Like, I'm starting to be at the point where it's like, have shoes for specific things. Like, have rain shoes, have workout shoes, just have shoes for certain things. 'Cause I literally buy shoes, wear them to the dirtiest places, mess them up, and then they just become my messed up shoes. So I have so many like that are just like I don't care about. And then I have like a handful that I care about, but I don't really care about them. They're just not messed up yet. So I have to work on it. I'm trying, but they fit comfortably. I'm gonna get the New Balance Neon Nights. I think that's what they are. I don't think they have them in my size. I gotta check on Google, but when I last looked, they didn't have them in my size. But they're really cute. These make my feet look big because the sole is like chunky. Let me see. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. These are big as fuck. Like, these is not my shoe size. This is a 6.5 in men and an 8 in women. But there's so much room in them. Like, there's so much room in these shoes. Am I tripping? These look the same. Like, look, these are my old ones. 6.5 men. 6.5 men. Bro, my toe, you can see it. Stuff's right here. I have all this room. There's no way. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, are these big too? No, these are bigger for sure. Yeah, no, my toes right here in this, and then it's like back here in this. I don't know if just tying the laces tighter will help, but these are really big. I'm gonna put the loops on like the last toes. These are kind of huge, and I don't feel like return. That's why I don't really order shoes unless I know my size, but I order 6.5 for all my newbies. Like, I just feel like it slides off the back. Okay. I double tied it and it fits better, but it's like still kind of roomy. Like, yeah, it's just like loose up there. I don't know. But when I feel the pink ones, they're kind of like that too, but I never noticed it. I don't know, I'll just tighten the laces, but they're cute. I just don't like looking like I got big feet. Big feet, big meat. Yeah, they look fine. I'd be so quick to return shit. I ain't gonna lie, I do. Because if it's not right, then I don't want it. Anyways, that was my unboxing. And I rated like a 7 out of 10. So I just needed more casual shoes. Since I want to be a slipper here every other day. Every day. It's too cool for that. I will talk to y'all later. I gotta go cook.
I think my brain is made for